We're going to review a few definitions now. In particular, what is a blockchain? What is a cryptocurrency? And what is a smart contract? So let's do the first one. What is a blockchain? A blockchain is a data structure, and it is a list of cryptographically verifiable events that happened in the past. Its form and structure is it's a chain of blocks. And each block, right, it's out there in cyberspace, each block contains a list of transactions or a list of events in the past, and they're secured and linked together by either a proof of work or a proof of stake or some other consensus algorithm that brings together technology and effort and money so that it starts to be secure. Now, blockchains are out there to solve a particular problem in the world. And the problem in the world that we've faced up to now is that ledgers in particular, and just lists of anything in general, they present a few difficulties. Think of a ledger at your bank, or think of a list out there on Yelp or at a college admissions office. Can you trust it? Is it accurate? Is it verifiable? Is it secure from tampering and so forth? And is it immutable? Can it be changed and played around with? And the answer to all of these seems to be yes, and these are problems that we'd like to overcome, at least for certain lists.